In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can build a complete e-commerce website with admin panel with zero coding. So for this, the tool we are going to use is called autocoder.cc. So first of all, you just need to come to this website autocoder.cc, and all you need to do is that you need to give your bob in this chat option, and autocoder will handle the rest of the things. It will make the front end, back end, and you don't have to know any programming language for this. So the website we're going to build is a e-commerce shop. So for it, all you need to do is that you just need to come to this website. Then here you just need to click on this. Then you need to paste your prompt. So this is my prompt: build a full stack e-commerce website for gym equipment with product listing, cart, checkout, and admin dashboard. So this is just a simple prompt. So it's better to enhance this prompt. So for it, here you can see we have an enhance option for the prompt. So if I just now click on this, it will enhance our simple prompt and give us much more detail. And here you can see it has enhanced our prompt, and there you can see there is a lot of details. So if you want, you can modify the prompt, but I am okay with it. So right now we're going to click on this, and once you click on this, it will take you to this page, and there you can see it made a requirement list for us. So if we just zoom in, here you can see what our website will have. Here you can see login page, registration page, home page, product listing, shopping cart, checkout page, user profile. So this is the front end and this is the back end. So for the back end means the admin panel. So in the admin panel, we'll have admin login page, then admin dashboard, product management, inventory management, user management. So if you're okay with the requirement list, then that's great. You can just click on this button. But if you want something else, or if you want to add something, you can just tell autocoder in the chat option. So I am okay with the requirement list. So I'll just click here, generate demo. And there you can see project is being generated, building pages. So first it will generate our front end, and it may take some time. So here you can see our website creation is complete. So it created the front end and the admin panel at the same time. So everything looks proper. It added proper image that goes with the website. And if we go down there, you can see shop by category. The category image is solid. And if we go down there, you can see it added images which also match with the title as well. So here, if we just check out the product page, if I now click on product, then you can see we're able to see the product from here. So let me just try to log in as a customer. So I'm going to click here login, and let me just click here create an account. So let's say the username will be user, email will be user@gmail.com. Let's give a password 1234567 8 capital A, 1234567 8 capital A. So if you now click on sign up, there you can see we are signed up. Okay, let me just show this website in full width. So for it, here you can see at the top we have the expand option. If we now click on this, they can see we are able to see the website in full width. And let me just go to the product page. Here you can see if we click on products, it will show us all the product, and here you can see we have the category, and here we have one more option. If I click on this, the product will show like this. So this is really nice. We have a search option as well. So let me just try to add a product to the cart. So let's just buy this product. So I'm going to click here add to cart, and then you can see added to cart successfully. So here you can see proceed to checkout. If we now just click on this, then we need to give our checkout details. Let's just give the details, and here you can see place order. If you click on place order, it will ask for payment method, whether you can use credit card or PayPal. So for now, let me just collapse this, and here in the chat option, we're going to say for payment at cash on delivery option, and we're going to click this. Actually, it will be better if we write over here for order at cash on delivery, but autocoder.cc will understand. And there you can see the project is updating and it's done. So Let me just give it details. And here you can see we have cash on delivery. So it only took a few seconds for us to add this option. So right now I'm going to click here, place order, and there you can see order placed successfully. So right now let's go to the admin panel. So for it, here you can see at the top we have a backend option. So website is basically front end and backend is the admin panel. So if you now click on this, it will take us to the login page. So here for the admin, it also give us some credential. Here you can see for backend, we have the username and password for admin. So if you want, you can also tell autocoder to give the admin login credential. Okay. So since it already give us the admin credential, we can just copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Then this is the password. I'll copy it and paste it here. Then click here. So here you can see currently we are logged in. So let me just make this bigger. And here you can see we have some demo data here. And if you click on products, it will show us all the products over here. So there you can see everything is working properly. So let me just take this in new tab. So for it here you can see we have an arrow option. If we click on this, it will open in a new tab. There you can see. So we can also add a product from here and delete the product from here as well. So here let me just go to the orders, since we just add a order, and if you go down here you can see this is the order we did. There you can see user@gmail.com. So we can also change the order status, view details. There you can see cash on delivery, COD. So everything looks perfect. We can check the inventory. So it got everything a e-commerce admin panel need. If I now click on user, we can also see the user. So those are demo user added by autocoder, and this is our user. There you can see user@gmail.com. So let me just go to the autocoder and let me just go to the website. So let me just show you the best thing about autocoder. So here you can see we have the edit option. So we're going to click on edit. After that, what we're going to do is that let me just select the whole div, this div, shop by category, and here you can see this div is selected. So here we can say add dark blue background for this div and press enter. So by clicking on edit, you can choose a specific section and tell autocoder to modify whatever you want. So here you can see it's done. Obviously it doesn't look good. I think previously it was better. But yeah, you can select a section and tell autocoder to do things for you. So what I can do is that I can just select this section again and tell autocoder to make some more changes, maybe add some animation, add some particle effect, and autocoder will do everything for us. So when your website is complete, you just need to click on this publish option. So you need to click on publish, and here you can give a domain, or if you already have a domain, or if you want to purchase a domain, you can do it as well. You can add a custom domain. So let's just give it a random name, and I'm going to click here publish, and there you can see our project is deployed. So right now it gives us a URL link. Here you can see. So for the admin panel, you need to go to this link. So here I'll just open another tab, paste the link and press enter, and we'll be able to see our brand new website. And you can share this website with anyone and they will also be able to see your website as well. So I hope you will actually like autocoder.cc. So I'll give this link in the description for you to check it out. And here you can see the pricing section. If I now click on pricing, there you can see you have a free plan as well for you to try autocoder. You will get 10 free credits. With it, you can create a small project, and you'll also get unlimited autocoder CC subdomain and community sub. And if you want to update it, you can do it as well. Here you can see standard $25 per month. So I'll actually recommend autocoder. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.